outside, Roxy. Do you want to go out? What's out there, precious? Too bad there isn't more. She likes it. Look at the snow and the paw prints, they're so cute. Hey Roxy, go get the snow. Are you done? You can't be done already. Ooh.